Right. Hello, boys. I'm still in this trade from yesterday. I'm just gonna chill in this and hope it moons. Uh, Not really gonna touch Bitcoin anymore. I do think we can make 97. I am long on stonks and I am short on gold. So we will see. Target is here. Trace this. I'm short from here. And yeah, I'm looking for this high from yesterday. But the problem is we might just chop around here. I don't know. Like I mean we are so far up already from this low. It's already over 1%. It could be a reversal soon. I should probably just look for this high. I think that's better. Not be too greedy on this. Overall, I'm still looking for a massive short up here. 5.665. Just close gold here if it comes down one more time. Let's buy in. I think I'm just gonna close here. And where's what's NVIDIA at? Actually, no. No, I think it's fine. I think we need to fill this gap a little. To keep it, but I might close gold. See here. Yeah, it does look pretty bearish on the 15. Let's say half hour. We are at support though. Yeah, I'm not gonna come on camp today. Don't feel like it. My room's a fucking mess. I'm gonna clean up later and then be back on camera uh, next week. Probably I will go to my family this weekend. I should have just, man, why was I so impatient with this? I could have just waited and got the full retest here that I was looking for anyways. I'm in a weird spot. That one's looking. Yeah, so far everything looking fine. I think we're gonna. Oh, nice candle. Yeah, as I said, like in my opinion, complete bull trap. But we did still have this gap, so it should be the low. I'm gonna look for this roughly or this, and then if we pull back later on, I might take another long. Like if it goes straight up here, I will close, and then if it pulls back, I will long again. And this is my main target. And then I will flip short really fucking hard. But isn't it great how I long now and now Bitcoin's not moving at all? Flip long on stocks and yeah, I'm long here. And now all of a sudden Bitcoin is just jizzing around and not doing anything. Story of my life. Uh, and I would close half, but I only shorted min size. To short a little bit more. Like the thing now is we did sweep this low, so this is a good point as well for the candle to flip back up. I think it's a fine TP. I'm gonna TP here on TP'd on gold. That was 0.5%. Yeah. If it comes back up here, I might reshort. I'm still in my runner, by the way, from yesterday from silver, and my break even is here. That would be a good reason, by the way, to keep the gold short, but whatever. I think it's just a good TP area, so taking it. This is the last dip ever, yeah. The last dip ever. Alter Feppi, wer hier Nvidia kauft, hat die Kontrolle über sein Leben verloren. Dax, when are we playing the new Dark and Darker? I'm already already done trading. New York session. I'm already done. And Bitcoin didn't do shit, and this market is fucking horrible to trade. I don't even know why I'm even doing this. Like, I'm just gonna sit in Sonic now and hope that it moves 20%. I don't know what to do here. Like, the market is so shit. Look, now the stock market is going up and Bitcoin is not doing anything because it front ran the whole move already, and it's just chilling sideways now, and there's nothing to do here. So fucking dumb. It might even go down while the stock market goes up. Like we saw last imagine we do the same shit we did last summer. Bitcoin dump on stock up only. Would not be surprised. Enjoy the I cannot enjoy the decorrelation because I'm fucking losing on my crypto account. Not good for the stream. Not good, not good. Already up another 100 bucks on my Boomer account. Easy life. It's so fucking dumb, I swear to God. Hello, Bitcoin. The stock market is going up. You can pump now, okay? Just pump to 97k. Everyone can be happy, and I can get out of my shitcoin position. To be fair, I was kind of impatient with this and with this though. Like I was short on Bitcoin yesterday, and it was dumping so slow. I closed here, and I would have gotten my full move, like 1% move. I wanted to have a hedge for my tonic position. But getting out is kind of tough, and because it's so illiquid on altcoins, so I wanted to hedge. And I always long the wrong index. Like usually, guys, usually I'm always in NQ, right? And today I decided, okay, I'm gonna go for the SPY because it looks a bit cleaner. And yeah, I missed out already, like hard, big time. I mean, along here, and this is over 1%. And now look at S&P. This is 0.5%. Well, to be fair, it's not really always that I long the wrong. It's just that I then realize that I'm on the wrong index. Oh, yeah, I would probably already be here, but I mean, Nvidia, as I said, like it's not even close to gap fill. I think it definitely has room, at least here. The problem is we have half hour reversal. It's half hour reversal time, so it could be a bit painful right now. And it's New York session. Like it's possible that we just chop around and we do nothing. Holy shit, man! I could have had this move instead of fucking this move. Like, fuck me. Fuck me big time. Yeah, I think you guys saw, right? Like the unemployment numbers again, like a nothing burger, but yeah, the big issue. It's basically what Vincent posted. This is gonna hit hard. Like even if they roll back a lot of the tariff stuff, and the market is always not really prepared. Like it's not very forward looking, in my opinion. Complete retail trap at the moment. And also, there's no talks with China at all. Like it's all fucking fugazi. It's a bunch of made up bullshit. Yeah, pretty good hourly. Yeah, nothing unexpected. Like yeah, as I said, numbers came good. I immediately longed. Not immediately. I even woke up too late. I basically FOMO longed. It just longed here instead of taking this little dip. Right, maybe 4 p.m. reversal here. But yeah, overall, as I said, like I think I can hold because such a big fat gap here on Nvidia, especially. Would make sense for me to fill. And then we hopefully add 5-6 roughly on a second. I think I can start shorting a little bit earlier around here. And I'm gonna put my stop below this low. What is Paul? What the fuck is this? Holy shit. Wrecked. Sui went pretty nicely, huh? Yeah, Sui went hard. 40%. Gold, unfortunately, not giving me a re-entry here, but yeah, as I said, I think it's still a fine close. Yeah. The only reason I would wanna hold this is because I wanna hedge my my silver long, but silver is performing better anyways. So wait, how does it look on the daily? This it should be a daily wick. Wow, looks brutal, right? I would definitely buy down here, and Man, it could be a pretty disgusting Darth Maul candle here on the daily. Could end up something like this, my opinion. But this would be good. Like if we have, so we filled here, right? Completely. And if we now fill this and we hold the daily, and we will have a wick fill on this side, right? This is what I would like to see. Like hold this low and make it like a doji candle here. And then we have, as I said, the wick fill on this side. Otherwise, like if this daily flips and closes bearish, that's fine as well. Then I would try to look for support here. Silver is still like super bullish. Hey, our position is green. Amazing. Copper? What is copper doing? I don't know. Copper. It looks a bit like, I mean, this looks pretty much like silver, right? Minus 21 and then plus 20. Man, I should have looked at this as well. Holy shit, this was and this was so easy support buy, right? But yeah, I cannot complain, Carly, because I got this whole move from silver, like from down here. That's my Giga Chat Quant Classic. I got it from here to here, the whole swing, and yesterday I longed again with more size here, and got this move as well, basically. So I don't really want to complain. Basically got this whole move. Yeah, Classic is the chat, man. He's fucking. I swear to God, if I had a lot of money, I would just pay him for what he does. Even if you wouldn't ask for it, I would just pay him for all his charts and stuff. I would give him a salary. Wait, Kuma Zul? Wait, is that Stritzer? Is that you? Like, it was only Stritzer yesterday who talked like this, so it must be you. I am now 80% long. I'm long too, but on my shitcoin and on. Oh my god, it looks so bad. God, like. This is not good. Man, I swear, one more leg. I give Bitcoin one more leg and then it's fucking over. Anyways, what was I talking about? I'm long on this, and this is my all in. Wow, this looks like fucking. I don't know. It's all in short area. It looks like distribution up here. Not gonna lie, this looks pretty bad. But we will see. Maybe it can hold. Um, By the way, Dax, have you figured out why my stop losses are not working? I basically have to monitor all day because I cannot be sure that this stop loss will trigger. As far as I know, like yesterday, it did not work at all. Like, well, just not working. I mean, the problem is if Bitcoin moves 1%, I gotta turn the camera on and do some squats, huh? Or I save them up for next week. I think I'm gonna save them up. This market is really triggering me. Like first front running the whole move, and now Bitcoin is going sideways and it's already distributing. Nah, I highly doubt it. Now, as soon as the stock market rolls over, I think Bitcoin will roll over with it. It's struggling so hard, man. The problem is Bitcoin, it feels like it already did the whole move, like while the stocks did not. But we will see. We will see. As I said, I'm still long. Is he doing anything here? Let me see. What is Nick? What is our soldier of God doing? It is sometimes so fucking cringe to watch this guy because he's always talking about God and how he's like a like fucking soldier of faith and stuff like that. It's so fucking cringe. Oh yeah, he's a nice guy. Still find it a bit cringe. Yeah. I rely on God to save me from my bad positions. I mean, ask me, like, I need to get saved as well, yeah? It looks like I FOMO at the top now. Man, why didn't I just follow my TA tonight? Like, why did I have to buy here and did not wait for the full retest? This is initially what I was looking for, where I would want to enter, and this would have been a really nice entry, right? I'm already 4% up. And what did I do? I just bought here tonight when Bitcoin was so high and did not even dip. Fucking stupid. I could have just put orders and go to. I mean, I did have orders initially, you remember? And then I just FOMO'd in basically. Really bad. Really fucking bad. By the way, I never trade like this on my Boomer account somehow. But to be fair, I think it looked okay here. Right? And this could have been below, but this obviously this is really the level initially that I was looking for and where I had all my orders stacked. Right, and I would have had a nice entry now, but I decided to FOMO in. It's still okay-ish, but I mean, this would already be 3%, almost 4 from the low. Jesus. Still in the short from 88k. Brother, why? Just close it and fucking go next trade. No. Man, we are 7% above. Do you not use stop losses? Holy fuck, man. 7%. Like how much? I mean, let's be realistic, right? Why are you not getting out? I don't understand. Yeah, they are not working, ducks. That's what I was saying. Did you listen to me? He was listening. He's paying attention to me. But yeah, as I said, I can't use stops. It's yeah, like it's not working. Like when like yesterday when it triggered, like nothing happened. Okay, yeah, but it would be great because I don't want to lose my account to a non-triggered stop. The only thing I can do now is put an alarm and then manually close. But you know what I find interesting, Dax, that nobody before me, like, is nobody trading on Apex? Why did nobody report this issue before? Such an obvious thing, right? If someone's stop does not trigger, like. Sometimes I feel like the only person who's ever trading on Teal Street. I reported so many bugs in the last couple years, and stuff that was really obvious. It's kind of funny. No one is using stop loss. Yeah, I can tell. Like yeah, I don't even know how to pronounce your name. I am space. But yeah, I hope you learned from that. Like yeah, you might have a bias, but the market can, you know how brutal the market can go, right? You know, you're sitting in a position that is completely underwater, and it might even go higher. So it did scam. It did scam up, didn't it? I put the fun in fund liquidated. Yeah, exactly what Green is saying. I mean, to be fair, that was not zero retrace, and we did double bottom. Peppy, okay, Peppy. Let's be fair here, right? This is not zero retrace. It's come on. We bottomed. We double bottomed. We retraced 50%. We double bottomed here, and now we're shifting. Like it's now it looks like this. This is not zero retrace. Come on. This is kind of fair price action, I would say. Does it mean I think it's like the bottom? Yeah, no. So yeah, I think we're gonna do the good old week fake out and then roll over next week when the tariff shit hits. Since last low, you mean this low or this low? Yeah, I mean this was kind of, yeah, this was definitely insider move, right? Okay, we had a nice retrace here. This was a good retrace. And I even thought about longing here, but yeah. I ended up shorting here again, and then I got my face melted off. But I thought about, like, on this big rip down, I thought about longing, and then I would have closed it on here, but... But yeah, we all know this was complete insider move. I mean, it basically went from down only to up only within a couple of hours, because all of the guys, yeah, talked with Besant. All of these fucking Brazilianaires. Orgasmic buying, yeah. I think it's time to take some off here. And it takes so long to take off position on. And that was 1% move. I might as well just fully close here. Alright, I fully close. Fuck it. If I get a retrace, I'm gonna buy back in. Um, there's still some gap fill here on Microsoft, but I fully closed this move here. 1%. Still mad I did not long NQ, and I decided to go for SPX today. I don't even know why exactly. Like somewhat I felt better about this. Yeah, obviously NQ moves more most of the time. 95% of the time. Robin Hood looking good here. Let me see. Robin Hood. It does. It actually does. Holy shit. It looks like a what do you call it? A cock and handle? Cup and handle? Cock and handle pattern. Oop. All right. Yeah, guys, I think honestly I could already hop off. I'm just gonna chill in this anyways. Like, I mean, you can see my positions. It's all public, and hope I don't get rugged till we up here. That's basically the plan right now. Just hold Sonic till we up here, and Bitcoin hopefully goes to 97, 98. And yeah, as I said, I closed NQ here, SPX here. I closed. Where did I close? Yeah. Like if it retraces here, I will re-enter small, and I will add back in here and here. And like if I get fully filled, I will only play this range. But yeah, small re-entry here would be fine for me. Because overall, I think Nvidia has, I mean, this has still room up, right? There's no more gaps here, by the way. But why is there no gaps? No gaps. Okay, this gap is also already filled. Yeah, it's probably a good close. Gold coming back up. The question is, am I interested in reshorting? I probably not. I'm just gonna chill, I think. It's an okay spot though. Plus, you're looking. Nah, I think I'm gonna chill. Did Nick do anything? Did he take a trade, Mr. Children of God? No, I didn't do anything. I really wonder. I've never seen him take a trade on live stream, and then he always says, "Oh, green days 8, red days 1." Like, where are his trades? I don't get it. I don't see any. Maybe he takes everything in Asia and in London. I don't know. Yeah, but at least for Robinhood, Peppy, I understand it, right? Like, imagine or think about how many retail people all of a sudden went into stocks. Like how much inflow there was from retail into stock trading and investing in the last year or something, right? That 100% gain made sense. It's not even that big. I think it's probably still a fine buy because it's only gonna pick up in the next couple of years, I think. Well, actually, maybe not. Maybe it's gonna crash. Like, let's be honest. If we drop another 30%, people will not buy the bottom. They will be fucking devastated, like in the crypto market as well. Then it will take ages to bottom, and they will just FOMO back in at the top. And yeah, like the retail interest will be at a low point. Always how it goes. Sell low, buy high. Happy, look how easy this was, right? Look how easy this was. Like, look at this meme line here. How perfect this worked out. Okay, here it went a little bit over, right? You could argue. But yeah, like just sell here. Or here, or here. Like if it comes a bit higher, it's fine too. And then put your stop above here. And then wait for a new low. Can it be any more obvious than this? And finally pumping. Yeah, I guess I could stay online for a bit, but I'm gonna play video games now. I think it's yeah, I think I said everything I want to say today about the market. I'm gonna re-enter a pullback. I'm already out of gold. Like I don't think I'm gonna touch it for the rest of the day. There's nothing going on here anymore. And stocks I would just say probably continue up. And Bitcoin as well. Hopefully I'm not wrong about this. Because I could get wrecked. And it looks pretty dicey on the daily, but I think as long as stocks go up, I hope we do not have the kind of decorrelation where stocks go up and Bitcoin goes down. Dollar is still dumping. Yeah, what do you mean dollar is still dumping? Who cares about that right now? This is the important and usually okay, this is coming down to just 10 years coming down. This is good for markets. And usually I don't know why you think that's bad for markets in general. Like you know for the longest time when dollar index dumped, markets were pumping, right? Dollar devalues, markets go up. Dollar goes up, Dixie goes up. This whole rally, this was because of rate hikes and money flowing into treasuries and getting sucked, liquidity getting sucked out of the market. It means market down. But at the moment, like the correlation is not really there. At the moment, the correlation is the opposite because of the 10 years and yeah how basically the dollar as a reserve currency is getting devalued, and USA is basically dumping, right? It's the narrative here. It's just a different narrative, and then it has the opposite. The opposite move explains the narrative. But it's not as easy as yeah. I mean, yeah. Why do you so why is your interpretation okay? Dollar is going down. That's bad for markets. Like, well, explain that to me. It comes from a narrative, nothing else. Because yeah, as I said, for the longest time here, this was the other way around. And here, the whole market rallied on dollar strength. So it really depends on what the background story is. Here, the market pumped completely. So moved down. Hello, Toon. Alright, guys. I'm gonna hop offline. It's gonna be boring anyways. You don't want to see me play video games, right? And I already said everything I wanted to say. I gonna keep chilling long in fucking Sonic and hope it pumps. And otherwise, I'll be back probably only next week because I gotta go to my brother's house this weekend and help him out to finalize stuff. So probably back on Monday or Tuesday. All right, guys. No, that's wrong, Carly. This is actually both. Actually, both. I'm fucking dumb. Follow me on Twitter. Check out Apex. Check out Teal Street. Already got that. What other links? What other links? Forgot something. Ah, yeah, you can also join my Telegram if you want to. Oh, no, we're ascending. No, actually, some excitement here on my position. Yeah, whatever. I mean, you can follow my positions anyways. Like, wait, what's the ball? Oh. I have absolutely no idea. I think, yeah, okay.